Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify make.com scenarios or passing test runs, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify that your make.com scenarios are passing test runs, start by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your scenarios. Locate the scenario you want to test. Click on the scenario to open its detailed view. In the upper right corner, look for the Run Once button. Click Run Once to initiate a test run of the scenario. Observe the execution progress at the bottom of the screen. Watch for any errors or issues that may occur during the test run. If the scenario completes successfully, you will see a green check mark indicating a passed test. Take note of the execution logs displayed on the screen. Click on each individual module in the logs to review their output. Check if the input and output values match your expectations. If there are any errors, review the details provided in the log. Identify the specific module or action causing the issue. Make necessary adjustments to your scenario based on the errors encountered. After making changes, run the test again using the Run Once button. Repeat this process until the scenario consistently passes all test runs. Consider setting up an automatic scheduling of the scenario to ensure it functions smoothly over time. Finally, if the scenario meets your requirements, you can activate it for regular use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.